Hey guys, welcome to my first video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove carbon off of the pistons in less than 10 minutes. What you guys need is WD-40 with their spray squirt gun, and then you'll also need an aluminum 3M bristle disc, and then you'll also need a drill. So what we're going to be doing is you need to be spraying the WD-40 on the carbon. Don't let it soak at all, because then it will not work. Then you need to attach your 3M bristle disc to your drill, and then you need to put pressure on it and start spinning it slowly, unless it will not work. And I'm going to be speeding ahead through most of the cleaning process and stopping bits. So what you can see in the first go around with the brush is that we went too fast, and all that we got was a little bit of carbon off. So you guys want to respray it again. It might take a couple tries, or maybe multiple. It just depends on how much carbon you have, and if you go really fast or go really slow with it, which you need to go really slow. So what we're doing is we're going around slowly on all the carbon, like in circles and just around the area, to clean off all the carbon. You want to keep doing that until the carbon is completely gone. So as you guys can tell that the brush is working with the WD-40, it just took us a couple tries because the carbon was pretty thick and we haven't taken the head off and seen the pistons for about 20 years, but it actually does work. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and like this video. And thank you for all your support, and see you guys next time.